following is a presentation of TFNN. The Tom O'Brien Show is produced every business day. Tom takes your phone calls toll free at 1-877-927-6648. Internationally at 727-445-1044.
Let's go to our man Dave in Clearwater. Hey, Dave, Happy New Year. What's happening, man?
Happy New Year to you, my brother. How are you, sir?
I'm doing great, man. How you been?
I am doing well, man. I'm doing well. Can I throw a quote out at you?
Sure.
In the market, somebody knows something. Someone always knows something. That statement was made by a great trader by the name of Tom O'Brien about 6-7 years ago.
Oh, yeah?
And it kind of hit me like a brick. You're right. Somebody always knows something.
Hey, Carlos, what's going on, brother?
I'm calling you back, Tom. This morning I had a pleasure to talk to you and your son, and I don't want to miss the opportunity to talk to you again.
Well, I think you made some money on this bond.
Oh, yes, Tom. Your newsletter helped me.
That's a beautiful thing. We appreciate you growling and prowling with us out here.
Now, Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Love coming out of you makes you happy. The whole world can love you, but that is not the love that will make you happy. What will make you happy is to share the love you have inside of you. That is the love that will make the difference. Market wise, let's take a look at it out here. Dow Industrials up 118, Nasdaq up 27, S&P's up 13, gold contract down $2.10, trading at $1,237 an ounce. Silver flat at $17.97. Platinum down $2.50 at $1,002 an ounce. Copper up 3.5 pennies at $2.74 a pound. Light sweet crude up 66 cents, trading at $54.06 a barrel. Notes and bonds both flat. They both rejected lower price, had lighter volume. You get the 10-year note 124.21, 30-year bond 151.07. They both want higher price, lower yield. King dollar 454 ticks, trading at 101.406. You get King dollar each and every time it gets up into this 101.600 area. They sell it off. Bottom line, King dollar's in an ABC structure on the way down. You have a price projection of 96.925. Euro's trading out here at 105. The yen is at 113.67. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? You get another day. You get green. It's all about green. You're up $1.35. You've done 70 million shares. You've overtaken the last swing high, which had 86 million. Bottom line, higher price can go higher. Dow Industrials, same setup in the Dow Industrials. Dow Industrials traded up $118. You're at 20,743. You've done 857 million shares versus the 974 on Friday. Composite, the Nasdaq Composite up 27 bucks. Nasdaq Composite 1.9 billion versus 1.8. If we look at the NDX 100, the 3Qs also go to a new high. 17 million shares, you're up 64 cents. But a one-way trade. If we go back to December 30th, you're at 118. You go back to the January 31st, you're at 123. We're at 130 right now. Small caps also at a new high, IWM. And they all closed at their highs too, folks. Small caps up $1.09. You're at 140.20. You're at 19 million shares out here. Bottom line, you're taking out the highs that had 24 million shares as well as 49 million shares. Gold contract rejected lower price once again. Now, gold and silver, folks, they are pushing on their swing highs with dramatically higher volume. I suspect what you're going to see is that we're going to see a break topside here. We've been at these levels now from the 6th of February. The 8th of February is the highest price on this contract. We are 1236.80. February 8th, you were at 1246.60. You had done 222,000 contracts. We're pushing into that right now at 247,000 contracts. This is already in the confirmed ABC structure on the way up. Bottom line, 1289 is the projection. There's no reason that this can't get up to 1315. And the type of cause that the gold contract and the silver contract have been trading, that can make it there in a day. So this is going to be intriguing to see how this test comes in. Silver, exact same setup. Silver today did 105,000 contracts, which is huge. We are at pressing into the highs. We're at $17.97. The high was pressing into is $18.14. You made $18.07. Silver looks to me like it's game up here at $19.10. That was where the downdraft, well, one of the downdrafts had occurred on November 11th. We also had the downdraft on October 4th. That was from $19 to $17.85. Notes and bonds, they continue to say they want higher price. And the correlation in here is pretty cool because, you have the Fed flat out saying, listen, we're going up 2 more times before the end of the year. The market, meaning that they're buying bonds and buying notes, saying, you might be going up, but I'm buying these things right now and I'm reducing the price. Because every time, of course, more demand comes in, the bond price goes up, the yield goes down. Well, that's what we have out here today. The notes and the bonds have been in a consolidation since December 30th. What we had is that you had a low that was established on December 15th, comes off that low with strength, and this consolidation is in play. What we didn't do last week, even though when we came back down, pretty good, meaning into the low that was established out here on the 26th, guess what? It did not hit the swing low. So you didn't even hit the swing low, and that's saying it's strong. That's saying that now we're going to go after the high of the consolidation, which is 125.18. The 30-year bond is the exact same type of setup, what you have inside the 30-year. A 30-year, you're at 151.06. The top of this consolidation out here is trading out is 153.31. And good old King Dollar. What do you have with King Dollar out here? King Dollar out here, folks, is up 464 ticks today. And when you take a look at this, what you're going to see is that you came into the highs of last week. We did 28,000 contracts into 42,000 contracts. That 42,000 contracts was going into 74,000. Bottom line, monster seller is just sitting right there. In fact, if you want to see, it looks to me, if you want to go to Mexico, PE, you want to get your pesos right now because it looks to me like this peso bottomed. In fact, what you're going to see is that the peso itself, there it is right there. This topped out, okay, when this topped out at 22 pesos to $1. This baby's going all the way back. It's getting strong at 18 to $1. That's quite a move. It's Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Dow Industrials finished up 118. NASDAQ up 27. S&P's up 12. We're going to be right back, folks.